We're ending our day with a soak in Kerosene Creek. It says it's a pretty short walk, hopefully, because we're a little tired. So it was indeed a very, very, very quick walk, like 30 seconds maybe. Here we are. I think I got a little overexcited. I think this waterfall is it. Whee!
How's it feel, Lauren? Really good? Alright, let's get all the way in then. Yeah, whoa! So warm. Let's see what it's like under there. Amazing. In the Kerosene Falls right now, the odor is very pungent, but it's also super warm. It's like being in a hot tub. And it's got a sandy bottom. Lauren's now attempting to get close to the waterfall. See if she can withstand the fumes long enough. Oh, she touched it. It is possible. Gonna try to go under the waterfall now. Not getting the ears wet though, because that might have infection, they say. So good. Walking back from Kerosene Creek now, like a couple of real hobbits, barefoot with our hairy feet. What a dip. Hairy feet. Oh, Lauren doesn't have hairy feet.